When someone asks who the laziest animal in the world is, the answer is definitely the sloth. Sloths have incredibly slow reactions and move at a snail's pace. Their crawling speed doesn't exceed 10 feet per minute. That's even slower than a turtle. Just stretching takes them a full 30 seconds to complete. Here's something that might shock you. The urine and feces stored in their bodies can account for 1/3 of their total body weight, and they only come down from trees to defecate once a week. When they do, they can release several pounds in a single session. So why exactly do they move so incredibly slowly? A sloth's heart beats only 40 times per minute, and their metabolic rate is just half that of other animals. To make matters worse, sloths have a peculiar preference for low-calorie leaves, but their digestive system is extremely weak. It takes a full 30 days for them to completely digest a single leaf. Additionally, sloth muscles contain only slow-twitch muscle fibers, which can provide tremendous gripping strength but cannot generate speed. When attacked, they don't fight back. Instead, they cling desperately to tree branches with their powerful grip. But why did they spend so much time hanging upside down? Sloths spend 90% of their lives hanging upside down from trees. Their claws naturally curve inward, making them perfect natural hanging devices. Even when sleeping with completely relaxed muscles, they can hang securely from trees without expending any extra energy. Amazingly, their fur grows in reverse direction. When hanging upside down, rainwater flows down along their fur instead of pooling. Furthermore, tropical rainforest leaves grow incredibly fast, so when hanging upside down, they don't need to move frequently. They don't need to use their hands, they can simply move their mouths to eat their fill.